Let's see this question. So this is a linear equation with a variable m. Right, so m is here in this term, m is in this term as a numerator, m is in this term. That means we can factor out m. So let's factor m. So then m over 15 becomes 1 over 15. Right, because m times 1 over 15 can be written as m times 1, which is m over 15. Similarly, the second term can be written as 1 over 35, since m is factored out outside. The third term becomes 1 over 63. That equals 7. Now, all we need to do is add those fractions. So how do we add those fractions? If we make a common denominator, that's a lot of work. So we're going to do something called the partial fractions. Think about the 1 over 15. That's 1/3 minus 1 over 5. Let's check. Right, we multiply this 5 over 5, 3 over 3, because we can only multiply by 1 with any number. So this one is 5 over 5, this one is 3 over 3. Now we make a common denominator of 15. Then we have 5 minus 3, which is 2. But we just don't have 2, right? Because we have 1 over 15. So how do we justify that? Because it's multiplied by half, right? We can multiply this by half. Let me erase this. Because 1/3 minus 1 over 5, that's 2 over 15. But we started with 1 over 15, so we just multiply by half. So similarly for the second one, right, we see we can split as 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7. Yeah, 1 over 5, so make a common denominator of 35. Then we have 7 minus 5 is also 2 over 35. So multiply by half for this one also. Right? So this half is for this difference, is also for this difference. Similarly, for 1 over 63 can be split at 1 over 7 minus 1 over 9. 9 minus 7, also 2. So we just offset with multiplying by half. And that equals 7. Now we see some terms gets cancelled. We have positive, negative. So we have negative 1 over 5, positive 1 over 5. That adds up to be 0. We have negative 1 over 7, positive 1 over 7 adds up to be 0. So we're left with m times half times 1/3 minus 1 over 9. And that equals to 7. Then multiply 1/3 with 3 over 3 again. So 3 over 9 minus 1 over 9, that's 2 over 9. So we have m multiplied by half, multiplied by 2 over 9. That equals to 7. Well, half times 2 becomes 1. So this becomes m multiplied by 1 over 9 equals to 7. Or just multiply by 9 on both sides. Right? 9 times 1 over 9 becomes 1. So 1m equals to 7 times 9, 63. Right? So we use partial fractions instead of making a huge, big common denominator for this question.